When I was growing up, there were no healthy old people in my family. They've had heart attacks, strokes, ulcers, diabetes, gout. And I think there's got to be some better way to live than this. When I was in my 20s, I decided whatever they're doing, I want to do something different. My name is Aaron Parnell, founder and executive director of the Vitality Center of San Mateo. I started the Vitality Center because people want to be really, really healthy. I had the opportunity to be on the first Olympic sports massage team for the Los Angeles Olympics. Regardless of which sport they were in 52 Olympic sports, they all had this thing in common. They had a team of people who were dedicated to helping them get the best out of their bodies, achieve peak performance, achieve their personal records. A nutritionist, a fitness trainer, a coach who helped them get the best out of their body. After the Olympics, I realized that there's none of that in any of the conventions around Western healthcare. We are taught that when we have a pain, then do something about it. So it's not enough for me just to be pain-free. I want to achieve my best. I want to be able to run. I want to be able to party and play with the best of them, no matter how long I live. I'll be 60 this year. And the reason why I'm still alive today is partly because, in addition to the grace of God, I also took care of my body. When I was in my 20s, I decided to get 5% healthier every year for 20 years. There's got to be a team of people who can help me get the best out of my body. So I sort of put my own team together: chiropractor, acupuncture, a colon hygienist. I had a nutritionist, fitness trainer. Make choices now so that you can be as healthy as you can possibly be as you get older. Because yes, it's possible to get healthier as you get older. You don't have to associate bad health with age. You can actually associate getting better and better and better. And when you're at your best, your family's going to have an opportunity to look at your example so that they in turn can have a quality life for as long as they live. Whatever you're afraid of will never happen to you if you play the game right. I'm looking forward to you having your best life. Give us a call. Call the Vitality Center of San Mateo right here in Silicon Valley, and we'll make sure that you set up an appointment and we will start working with you toward your goals in the right order.